Gently, otherwise you lose control because of the increasing torque. Pushing the stick forward as soon as possible to get the tail in the air. Increasing the power all the time. Hear that noise? Beautiful barrel roll. It's a lovely noise you hear. I am told by Rob Davis, who had his own Mustang, is actually the noise of the air blowing over the gun emplacement, on the leading edge of the wing, where the cannon, where the machine gun are placed. It's actually just the air blowing over those. We thought it was something quite clever, but he said not. This aeroplane conceived and flew within 9 months. And when he first flew, frankly, it was a disappointment. It had an Allison engine and it underperformed. The Royal Air Force had ordered it, and one of their men had the brainwaver sticking in the Berlin engine, fitted obviously to the Spitfire, the Hurricane and the Lancaster and others. Suddenly everybody wants them. Some popping and banging, that's actually expected. 100 odd knots over the hedge. Everybody watching him now, he better do this right. Back on the flare. He's in ground effect now. It's on the ground. Hear the popping and banging? Perfect.